Uhamile nasikhala phakathi. Uhamba uyakhona hamba negift hamba necharacter. Ezokwazi ukumaintaina umaintaina igift umaintaina icharacter umaintaina i-education ayitholile. Because without character uyaxoshwa emsebenzini. But with character ungena ofisini with the character. Be manager not by qualification but by character. Character is smooth. Some at the gameplay uNkulunkulu agcoba umuntu to come build your character. Uyaphela uNkulunkulu agcoba umuntu uzomzonda wena. Kanti is there to build your character. Ayithandi boss yami ayikholile boss to build your character. To build. Kona ukuthi bayilento uNkulunkulu afuna yiyo. Uyawushila umsebenzi phakathi bakuthandi. Hlala until your character overcomes the hatred. Hlala until your character is correct. Uma uNkulunkulu egcoba uSawuli wayemgcobela ukubhilda i-character kaDavid. Ngenkathi uSawuli emleqa and wakha i-character of a king. David was not ready yet. Wathi uSawuli azomleqa amqualifika athi uDavid wayilungela ufuture. Athi ngiyabona uSawuli onhluphayo. Ngesikhathi engiphush uSawuli ngayithola i-character yokuqala ku-office lenkosi. Ungambulali uSawuli angiyakwakha. Ungambulali. I'm telling you. That's why I say uSawuli ungabude uthi you killed the anointed one. What do you mean? He was anointed to build me. Abanye ngithandi uSawuli. He was anointed to build my character. Abangekho uSawuli. Qualified the law of God. And so upon you can sing like David. You can have faith like Abraham. Akhuluma ngelinto ngoPaul. You can prophesy like Isaiah. But if I'm now you Joseph forward, you have to conclude there was Samson. You can sing like David and be astonished. You can know the Bible like Apostle Paul. You can prophesy like Isaiah. But if I'm now you Joseph, you have to know there was Samson.